We are Brenda
and Ezequiel
from Argentina, and as a couple, we love naked yoga.
Thank you, Brenda and Ezequiel, for doing your yoga moves on that cliff top. Absolutely spectacular views. I know you like to do your naked yoga in the privacy of your own homes. Let's hear from a few other people around the world that enjoy doing naked yoga.
Hola, my name is Liz. I'm from Peru and I love naked yoga and I love going to a naked yoga class.
Hola, hello everyone. My name is Gloria and I'm from Chile. And I love naked yoga and I love doing naked yoga classes.
Hello everyone, my name is Marianne, I'm from Colombia. I love naked yoga and I love doing naked yoga.
Sawadee ka, my name is Samini, I'm from Thailand and I love naked yoga.
Dzień dobry, I'm Anna, I love naked yoga.
I'm Naomi from the Philippines and I love naked yoga.
Sanbonani, my name is Agnes and I'm from South Africa. I love naked yoga.
I am Natalia. I am from Colombia and I love naked yoga. I'm going to a naked yoga class.
Buenos días. Hello everyone. My name is Nerea and I'm from Barcelona, Spain. And I love naked yoga. And I love doing naked yoga classes. And I'm doing naked yoga classes for 2 years. And I love it.
Hola, I'm Melissa from Mexico. And I'm a girl that loves doing naked yoga.
Hola, I'm Ana from Colombia. And I love naked yoga. And I love doing naked yoga classes.
In this naked yoga video, I'm going to open the doors to a naked yoga class and explain exactly what goes on. There are certain rules that help others feel comfortable in partaking in a naked yoga class. The first rule is everybody who takes part in a naked yoga class has to be naked. Secondly, everybody, including the instructor, stays on their mats. Nobody gets off their yoga mats. There's no touchy-touchy feely going on. Everybody stays in their own positions. And thirdly, it's all done in dim light to save people's modesty, normally candlelight. So there you have it. Nothing untoward. It's a very safe and friendly environment, and you can just enjoy doing naked yoga in public. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on naked yoga. seeing Ezequiel and Brenda doing their yoga moves on that cliff top, spectacular views, and hearing from girls around the world that enjoy doing naked yoga. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget, hit that notification button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody.